Hey, what's up everybody? It's Walter and
Ashley!
Alright, we're here back at Kiriko Taiko practice, right? The final practice before the actual festival, which is this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or if I'm not mistaken, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. And can't see you. Can't see you. But anyways, we're just at practice. It's raining like cats and dogs outside. But wait, watch out. I'm gonna hit my face. All right, so just tweaking her playing just a little bit more. I added a little bit more technique. After she plays uchi-dashi rhythm-uchi 3, I'm having Ashley kind of pause and do a little bit of posing. So write in the comments below if you catch that, all right? So let's practice. We're gonna do it 3 times and let's do it. All right, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, all right. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. All right, ready? Okay, okay. You can put it in there.
No?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all right. よろしくお願いします。そうそうそう。それ3回。Okay. All right, guys, here we go. よろしくお願いします。はい、やったー。Okay. All right, excellent job, excellent job. So what I've been doing with Ashley is we're building her foundation, right? Like they say, if you want to build a skyscraper, you're gonna have to have a solid foundation. Now every week we're coming in here consistent, and we're just adding little by little, right? And she's building that foundation right now. And hopefully by this time next year, she's gonna be a totally different player. Okay, so that's the goal. So thank you for the hard work, Ashley. High five. No, don't high five with the bachi. High five with your hand, okay? Okay. Okay. Now, one thing I wanna teach you guys is the respect of the bachi, right? Right. Now, when you hold the bachi, you wanna always hold it with one hand where you're not playing. You don't want to flail around and like do this and that like Ashley's doing right now. She's still learning. Okay. And the reason is if you do this and this, you're disrespecting the drum, you're disrespecting the art form, and you're gonna hurt someone, you're gonna knock someone in the head, right? You don't wanna do that. Now, this is a Taiko player's extension, right? It's an extension of their arms, right? So you want to pay proper respect to this. This is just as much an instrument as is the Taiko drum. Okay, so you want to be really, really respectful. Okay, so that's another thing too. When playing Taiko, it's not just the technical aspects of it. Anyone can play a Taiko drum if you practice enough, right? Now, what's more important is, what did I say? Okay, hold it in one. Okay, when I'm talking, don't do this. Okay, all right. So that's another thing about Taiko, is it takes a lot of discipline, right, and focus. And I compare it to the martial arts, right? Because I used to be a martial artist, been doing it for a long time as well, and forgot my train of thought, but it's like when you want to build something concrete, you have to have all elements in place, not just the technique, but you have to have the mindset, you have to have the history, the entire 9 yards, have a full understanding, and you become a well-rounded Taiko player. Not just a Taiko player that performs, but a Taiko player as a whole person, right? That's the goal. Well, actually, that's my goal as a Taiko instructor, to teach to the next generation. Okay, to become a great human being, a better person, a well-rounded individual, right, through the art. And this can be not just Taiko, but through martial arts, through, I don't know, other mediums. Okay, it doesn't have to be a performance art. Okay, just wanted to say that to you guys today at this practice right before the festival. So wish us luck. I'm going to try to do a Facebook live feed during the actual festival, so you guys know what it's like to be within that festival. It's going to be, check the weather, it's going to be rainy, so rain or shine is going to happen, and so we'll try to take some footage here for you guys. All right, so thanks a lot. If you know anyone who would be interested in joining our Kiriko Taiko group, please send them the link below. I'll put it in the description box below. And I have uploaded all the materials up there. If you want the detailed sticking of the uchi-dashi and rhythm-uchi rhythms, it's in the group. You can download it for free, okay? Just make sure you message me personally that you want to join the group, and I will approve you. All right, guys? So thanks a lot for watching. We will see you next week. Bye!
おいしいね。